As told previously, for the Environmental Day 2021, we will highlight the themes of climate and illustrate what actions Cambodia Airports leads or has implemented in the past in order to reduce our carbon impact. At the level of Cambodia Airports, directly or through the help of efforts of third parties working on the airports. Over the last 26 years, Cambodia Airports has grown with the traffic. Millions of dollars have been invested and reinvested to modernize the infrastructure and equipment with a view in particular to reduce impacts of our operation on climate change. Today, the main part of our electricity consumption is from the air conditioning system. Mr. Herve BONIN, General Manager of Phnom Penh Airport, will be our guide for this visit.
So we are here on the roof of the terminal in Phnom Penh, where we have most of the chillers that supply air conditioning to the terminal. Air conditioning is responsible of around 70% of the total electricity consumption at the airport. I'm here today with Mr. Kim Ninu, in charge of maintenance at the airport. Kimni. So, Kimni, please tell us how this works.
Well, chillers produce chill water. Then chill water supply to air handling unit and fan coil unit. So during the crossing of chill water into air handling unit and fan coil unit, the cold air is blown into the terminal and offices to cool the concerned area. After the crossing, chill water is returned to the chiller and to be chilled again.
So Kimni, can you tell us what has been done and is done on a daily basis in order to reduce and optimize the energy consumption for the air conditioning?
Well, two setting points of the temperature of chill water have been defined to operate the chiller according to our needs and to save the energy consumption. The circulation of chill water takes place inside a protected and isolated piping system in order to prevent all increase of chill water temperature. In addition, when we replace one of these equipment, we look for the most efficient equipment on the market.
So Kimni, let's go to the Airport Operational Control Center to see the system that manage the chillers and the temperature.
Okay. So this is where we monitor the temperature requirement. You can see the temperature setting on the screen. Currently, one chiller is in operation.
So we are here now at one of our Jetway with Mr. Darin Keo, Deputy Manager at Maintenance Department. So, Darin?
Okay, boss.
So Darin, can you tell us what are the initiatives that have been implemented recently in order to reduce the emissions of ground handling and ground operation in general at the airport?
Okay, we start to reduce the use diesel, the ground power unit, and reduce also the aircraft engine, and we start supply electricity to aircraft on the turnaround time. Now we extend this one, we use the electricity from the terminal to the our equipment to be converted to the supply electricity to aircraft. We also help the preconditioning unit to supply the air, cold air to cabin out the aircraft. And also we have the electric car, we have the electric forklift to operation in the cargo warehouse, and we promotion staff daily activity to use of the bicycle for anywhere is possible.
Good night.
Thank you, sir.
We are now at one of our two power stations at the airport. So Kimni, can you tell us why is this place so important for the airport and how does it help reducing carbon emissions?
Well, in the two last years, we worked at connecting all our equipment and facilities to the national grid, and we stopped using our diesel generator except in case of power cut. This has led to a reduction of 70,000 liters of diesel oil per month. They are diesel generators, they are new, they work together in stage, they work according to the load that we need, and in this way we save the fuel consumption and also reduce our footprint carbon.
Cambodia Airports has also invested heavily on changing all lights to LED. This technology is more expensive but requires less maintenance and is much more energy efficient. All the runway lights have now been replaced as well as the mast light and all the building interior lightings. This initiative, along with other investment, as we have seen earlier, have resulted in significant energy savings. Over the last 4 years of this high activity between 2016 to 2019, we were able to reduce our energy consumption and our carbon footprints per passenger by 25%.